Meaning of hardwired.
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 Hardwired. The term hardwired refers to a type of electronic circuitry design where the connections are physically configured in a permanent and unalterable way. This contrasts with soft-wired systems where the circuitry is created using software or firmware that can be reprogrammed. Hardwired systems tend to be faster and more reliable than their soft-wired counterparts, but they lack flexibility and cannot be easily changed or upgraded. In short, hardwired means a system that is permanently configured and cannot be modified without physically altering the circuitry.